Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the chambers of the heart in a simple and easy way. The heart has 4 chambers. 2 atria, which are the upper chambers, and 2 ventricles, which are the lower chambers. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood, and the left side receives oxygenated blood. So remember this simple key point. Right side means deoxygenated blood, and left side means oxygenated blood. Now let's start with the atria, which are the upper chambers. Right atrium. The first chamber is the right atrium, or RA. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the superior vena cava, the inferior vena cava, and the coronary sinus. Then it sends blood to the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. Now, let's move to the left atrium, or LA. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the 4 pulmonary veins. Then it sends blood to the left ventricle through the mitral or bicuspid valve. Now let's move towards the ventricles, which are the lower chambers. Right ventricle. The first one is the right ventricle, or RV. It receives blood from the right atrium. Then it pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. The wall of the right ventricle is thinner because it pumps blood to the nearby lungs, so the pressure is low. Now, let's talk about the left ventricle, or LV. It receives blood from the left atrium. Then it pumps oxygenated blood to the whole body through the aorta. The wall of the left ventricle is thicker because it pumps blood to the entire body, so the pressure is high. Now let's compare the right and left sides. The right side receives blood from the body through the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and coronary sinus. The left side receives blood from the lungs through the pulmonary veins. The blood on the right side is deoxygenated, while the blood on the left side is oxygenated. The right side pumps blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery, while the left side pumps blood to the body through the aorta. The wall of the right side is thinner, while the wall of the left side is thicker, and the pressure on the right side is low, while the pressure on the left side is high. Now let's remember some important facts. The atria act as receiving chambers. The ventricles act as pumping chambers. The left ventricle is 2 to 3 times thicker than the right ventricle. The septum separates the right and left sides, and the valves ensure one-way flow of blood. Now let's understand the flow of blood through the chambers. Starting from the body, deoxygenated blood goes to the right atrium, then through the tricuspid valve to the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, it passes through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery, and then goes to the lungs. From the lungs, oxygenated blood returns through the pulmonary veins to the left atrium. Then, it passes through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. From the left ventricle, blood passes through the aortic valve into the aorta and finally goes to the body.